Coffee originated in Ethiopia around the 9th century. Legend has it that a goat herd named Kaldi discovered coffee after noticing his goats became more energetic after eating red coffee cherries. From there, coffee spread throughout the Arabian Peninsula, where it was cultivated and traded throughout the Middle East. By the 15th century, coffee had reached the Middle East, and the first coffee houses began to appear in cities like Constantinople and Cairo. These coffee houses became hubs for intellectuals, artists, and politicians, fostering a culture of discussion. The 17th century, coffee arrived in Europe, where it was initially met with suspicion and even banned in some countries due to its association with Islam. However, as trade routes expanded, coffee became more widely available, and coffee houses began to spring up in major cities like Venice, London, and Paris. The rise of coffee in Europe was closely tied to the Enlightenment, as coffee houses provided a space for intellectuals to gather and discuss the issues of the day. Voltaire, Rousseau, and other prominent thinkers were known to frequent coffee houses. As European powers expanded their colonies, coffee production spread to new regions. The Dutch established coffee plantations in Indonesia, while the French and Portuguese established plantations in the Americas and Africa. The Industrial Revolution brought significant changes to the coffee industry, as new technologies enabled mass production and distribution. The invention of the coffee grinder and espresso machine further increased coffee's popularity. In the 20th century, coffee culture continued to evolve, with the rise of specialty coffee and coffee house chains. Today, coffee is enjoyed worldwide, with diverse cultures and traditions surrounding its consumption. Coffee is grown in over 70 countries worldwide. The world's most expensive coffee is made from elephant dung, with beans that have been digested and excreted by elephants. The first webcam was created to monitor a coffee pot. 9th century, coffee originates in Ethiopia. 15th century, coffee spreads throughout the Arabian Peninsula and Middle East. 17th century, coffee arrives in Europe, with coffee houses springing up in major cities. 18th century, coffee production expands to new regions, including Indonesia and the Americas. 19th century, Industrial Revolution brings new technologies to the coffee industry. 20th century, specialty coffee and coffee house chains rise to prominence. 21st century, coffee culture continues to evolve, with a focus on sustainability and quality. In 17th century England, coffee houses were known as penny universities, where people could gather to discuss the issues of the day for the price of a cup of coffee. The Boston Tea Party had a lasting impact on coffee consumption in America, as colonists turned to coffee as an alternative to tea. Coffee's popularity endures due to its versatility and the sense of community it fosters, whether in a coffee house or at home. Coffee has played a significant role in shaping culture and history, from the Enlightenment to modern-day social movements. The coffee industry is a complex global network, with coffee beans being grown, traded, and consumed in diverse regions. Coffee's popularity endures due to its versatility and the sense of community it fosters, whether in a coffee house or at home.